Bureau of Corrections spokesperson Colonel Gabriel Chaklag says the agency will cooperate once a Senate probe on the deaths of high-profile inmates comes in full swing. This as questions about how JB Sebastian, a drug convict, and 8 others died of coronavirus-related complications inside Building 14 of the new Bilibid Prison. However, Chaklag says BuCor Director General Gerald Bantag's position is not an easy one to vacate and that his fate as the agency's chief will depend on the trust of the people and the national leadership. The BuCor also says it has been regularly coordinating with the Health Department's Regional Epidemiology Unit as well as the local government on handling the COVID-19 infections in the new Bilibid Prison. Bilibid Hospital Director Dr. Henry Fabro says Sebastian underwent swab test at an unspecified date and tested positive for the virus. He also has a theory as to how inmates inside Building 14 may have contracted the virus.
There was a time po na may pumasok sa ating sa Building 14 na personnel na duty. Nag-positive po sila sa rapid test. Okay? Immediately, we quarantine them.
To allay fears of foul play, a photo of Sebastian and another dead inmate was shown to members of the media but was not allowed for broadcast. This is because the photos are now considered part of the investigation and it is done as a way of respect for both the dead and their families. The Bureau also released death certificates of the 9 inmates. Paolo Barcelon, CNN Philippines.